Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out doing some errands and I thought I would just go do some grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. How about you come along with me? Let's go. Yeah, I was just running around in this neighborhood and I thought, I have not been to Trader Joe's in a while. You could probably hear my voice is a little bit hoarse. I got a little frog in my throat. So it happens a lot to me, especially with teaching. So I wanted to show you just some of our very favorite things from Trader Joe's and to do it on a limited budget because I don't really have, I'm not doing my grocery haul like my normal grocery haul, but I wanted to get some really good stuff that I love getting at Trader Joe's. So I'm going to show you some of my favorites. All these cheeses. And then they have like these small two-person meals. And they're really good. So the store itself is not very big, but they have such great treasures. You kind of have to go through the aisles a couple of times and see because they just kind of pack everything so close together. So I'll show you some of the treasures we got. Okay, I'm so excited to show you some things that I got, even some brand new things that I got that I've never had before. So if you've been to Trader Joe's, I hope you'll be able to let me know what you think if you've had some of these items. But let me show you some of our favorites. I am a huge fan of their corn. Now it is so good, it's really sweet, and I just like cooking with it, like throwing it into stews or when I make arroz con pollo. It's just a really good rice and you can tell the flavor. So a lot of times you could just put a can of corn in things and it's just corn, it's not a big deal. This is really good because it's nice and sweet. And that will go in the freezer. And I got a couple of these. This is like one of our favorite things. So we go through like ups and downs with the orange chicken. Well, I always like it, but my kids may not always want it. So, but this, the barbecue chicken teriyaki, we can always eat. Paul can eat it for the most part, and we just eat it with veggies and rice. It's really one of those meals that is good for like the middle of the week, when you're working and you're tired, and it cooks very fast. So let me know if you guys have had either one of those. I also showed you that they had some like in the shelf where there is a lot of meals for like 2 people. This is some chicken fajitas here. Paul loves fajitas, so I wanted him to have this either for a quick dinner or he could have it for lunch during the week where he could have even some rice and take some corn tortillas. Seems like a perfect lunch too. So I wanted to make this haul also about like some quick snacks. The boy, get nice little flyaways here. It's all over flyaways. Anyways, I just wanted the boys to be able to make something quick after school, or maybe if I'm just wanting a little something special. So I love Trader Joe's for that because they have some really unique kind of snacks or some different good flavored ones that you don't always see at the store. I did find these huge pretzels. I'm a fan of pretzels, and I've gotten these ones before, and they are so good. And if we go to Cafe Rio, then we usually have some leftover queso dip. Perfect combo. I got these little cheese pizzas. My kids have really liked these since they were little, when my older ones were little, like Ezra age. And these are super easy to make too. A great after school snack. And probably a little dinner if I'm gonna be honest. Because if the boys are eating snack at like 2:30 to 3 o'clock, that's so close to our dinner time. So it's probably going to be their dinner. I just picked up some more eggs because I needed some of those. This is a definite go-to for us, these honey pretzels, honey wheat pretzel sticks. They are so good. They are like, they have that hint of sweet to them and that salty. It is delish. Now this one, I think I've gotten these before, these cornbread crisp, or maybe it was Tina who got them, but I definitely wanted to try them. It does kind of have that, that cracker look to it, so I definitely wanted to try them again. It says it's a sweet and salty. I love that combination. Cornbread snack. They have a wonderful gluten-free area, and so I just got Paul some more brownie mix, and I got some pancake and waffle mix that were gluten-free. That way we can he could have a little treat if he wants to have breakfast or breakfast for dinner. Okay, you guys, this is such a good snack. This cowboy bark, I have done a video on this because I made a copycat version of it, and I'll try to link it somewhere in here, maybe down below or in the cards. But I made it because I took some to my brother-in-law's, and it turned out very similar. This is some good stuff. And another thing that I completely love are these oatmeal cranberry dunkers. These are supposed to be for coffee, I believe. It's got like a white fudge drizzle, it says. And it's supposed to be like a coffee dunker, I believe. But the kids love them. There's a lot of them in there. And you really only need one. And the cranberry with the oatmeal is so good, coming from somebody who loves chocolate. So this is a good combination for sure. But the things that I use these bags for are really for recyclable stuff, like reused stuff. So if I use them for a craft, but lately I've just been opening up one and putting it by my kitchen counter for recyclables, so we can take it out to the garbage, and I just throw the whole thing in there. So now, yay, I have more of these paper bags. So I'm excited about that. Okay, I also got just some bananas for breakfast and a crouton, a Caesar salad put together salad. I want one of those lazy salads. I love it. Ooh, I got some of these chips. Ezra, I got regular chips for the dip because we had some leftover dip that we needed to use up. So what do you think? Woo woo. He said woohoo. I got some Pirate's Booty, or it used to be called Pirate's Booty until they sold the name. But it was Trader Joe's first, so now these are just the white cheddar corn puffs. They are addictive. And then I got also some more tuna. It's not the fancy upside down tuna, so I think I've had this one before and I really, really liked it. And it was $1.99, so it's almost as expensive as the upside down one. Okay, on to the next one in my final bag. Okay, I've seen so many people on Instagram have this Danish, and it looks so good that I might even open it at the end so that you can see it, because it just I'm ready to sample it. I'm ready. So this one is pecan flavored. I love pecan, so it is a go for me for sure. The only thing is that this one was a little bit pricier. It was $7.99. But it's pretty big. You can see it. It says it's got 12 servings. So we'll see when maybe in a little while I'll open that up for you. Ezra really likes their cereal bars and their granola bars. Now, I don't normally buy these things at the store, not too often unless it's a special treat. But I always feel good buying them at Trader Joe's because I know they don't use preservatives and they're quality ingredients. So I always feel good about that. So sometimes I have to hide these because they go by so quickly. I also got something special for the boys. I saw these cute little heart jelly beans. That's another thing right now with Trader Joe's is that they have really cute little Valentine's things out, like some strawberry and chocolate stuff and X's and O gummies and little pink and white cookies, all kinds of stuff like that. Oh, I got these for the boys, one for all of them, one pack for all of them. Thought that was kind of cute. Another thing that I got for Paul is this gluten-free chicken soup. So he just walked in. So he gets to take this for work, and it would be so good. I even got, this was at the sample, and that's what made me buy it, because it was just that good. I love their 3 cheese marinara. It's a good one. So you can put this over chicken and bake it, or just mix it with some noodles. The boys like it either way. And then another thing, let me know in the comments if you like LaCroix or sparkling water, because I kind of do. I like sparkling water. I like the bubbles, and I'm not one, I mean, until I started drinking Diet Dr. Pepper, I really would just like the seltzer kind of waters or the sparkling waters. Trader Joe's bottles are pretty big. Like, these are a little over a liter, and they're only 99 cents. So if you're buying LaCroix, they are so expensive. For like 6 of them, it's almost like $3.99 in some stores. So this, I just thought I would get some different flavors. Star fruit, and then cranberry clementine. Doesn't that sound so good? And then I got also just lemon, because I am a fan of just the lemon. And only 99 cents. And then the last thing that I got for Paul is these little already pre-sectioned off granola or trail mixes. So these ones mostly have just the nuts. I try to get the one that has a little bit of little chocolate chips in it or something. They're like an indulgent one. I think it might even have some raisins. I can't see. Anyways, he really likes these ones. So I hope you really liked the haul today. I just thought, why not? I'm in the neighborhood, and Trader Joe's was right there. So I love Trader Joe's. They have such great stuff, and I always feel so good buying things from there. Like I said, they use good quality ingredients and no preservatives, so I'm a fan of that. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give the video a thumbs up, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. Not filling inside. Oh, yes. That is so good. That tastes kind of like something you would eat for Christmas. So good. Oh yeah.